Hey everyone, welcome to Buyworthy. Today we're taking a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 5G, the latest powerhouse in the Galaxy S series. Let's dive in. The Galaxy S25 5G features a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's vibrant, sharp, and perfect for everything from gaming to streaming. The design is sleek with a premium glass back, and the slim bezels give it a modern, edge-to-edge look. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 5G packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it a beast for multitasking and gaming. Apps open fast, and you can easily handle heavy apps and games with ease. For the camera enthusiasts, the Galaxy S25 5G comes with a triple lens setup, including a 200-megapixel primary sensor, offering jaw-dropping clarity and incredible detail in both bright and low-light conditions. Battery life is solid, with a 5,000 mAh battery that lasts all day with moderate use. Plus, 45-watt fast charging gets you back to full in no time. And of course, it's 5G ready, offering lightning-fast download speeds. If you're looking for top-tier performance and cutting-edge features, the Galaxy S25 5G is a great choice. That's it for today's quick look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews right here on Buyworthy.